You're doing my viral messy bun and you realize you need to wrap your hair tie 3 times because your hair is so thin instead of 2. Like when I do it in my video, so you have 2 solutions. You can either use a smaller hair tie so that you can wrap your hair twice, or if you're using a bigger hair tie that has to go around your hair 3 times, otherwise it's just gonna fall out. Let me show you. So normally I would pull it through halfway, flip, and plop it on top and then make my bun. But if you need to wrap your hair tie 3 times, obviously that's not gonna work. So what you're gonna do is first, you're going to create your hair tie. I'm gonna start it on the opposite hand because I like to make my bun with this hand. So I'm gonna start my hair tie with the bun hand and I'm going to tie it once. Now it's already tied once. Now we start the bun technique. And by the time you flipped it over, you've now tied your hair tie 3 times, and it's gonna be a lot tighter and more secure when you've made that bun. You can do all the finishes, you can pull out your base, you can deal with the baby hairs and fluff and pull as much as you like. And there you go, 3 times.